Okay, so the first thing we do in Frontpage is to first of all link the folder with all the files that we are going to use to Frontpage. So it's not necessary, but it is a very helpful thing to do. So to link the folder, you just go to File, Open Site, and then you go to the folder that has all the files that you need. So mine's in the C drive, sections of 15 files. You just click on Open. And it might come up with a message, it might not. You just say yes to the message, and all the files will be here under your website folder. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to work on is creating a style sheet. So using a package, prepare the following styles, all the pages on the website. H1, which is heading 1, must be dark blue, sans serif, 36, centerline, bold. And we have all these tags that we have to make. So in Frontpage, with two open here, to create a style sheet, you just go to New, so File, New. On the right, you're going to have a bunch of options you can choose from. So More Page Templates. Give it a second to load. And we want Style Sheets, Normal Style Sheet. There we go. Okay, so this is where we create our styles. So it says H1. So to do our first style that we want to edit or make, you go to Format, Style, and then in the list over here we choose the style that we want to edit. H1, Modify. And now we need to change it. So dark blue sans serif. So that's got to do with text. So in the Format, go to Font, and the color, make it dark blue. Sans serif is Arial, you can use Arial. 36 center and bold. So 36 and bold. Okay, so we can't do the center alignment over here, so we just say okay. Back to Format, Paragraph, Alignment, Center. Once we're done editing H1, we just say okay. It will come up now under user-defined styles. And now we do the next one, H2. So we go to drop down, go back to HTML tags. We choose the next one, H2. So this is going to be green serif bold. Okay, so we're going to go back to the font. So Format, Font. This is going to be green. Serif is Times New Roman. Bold. 14 point. And left align. So it's okay. Format, Paragraph, Alignment, Left. So if we look at user defined, we have H1, H2 so far. Go back to HTML tag. Next one, H3. H3. Format font, blue, sans serif, Arial. Left aligned. And the next one. So Li, these are bullets. So H1, H2, H3, these are all headings. Li is a bullet. So the bullets must be blue, sans serif, 10 points, bullet points, left aligned. Find Li, double click. So everything that you need to change is basically going to be under here, except for a table where it's going to be a little bit different. But we'll deal with that when we come to it. So the bullets again, blue, sans serif. Okay, so format again. Font, make it blue. sans serif, which is Arial, 10 points, bullets. Okay, so left align, so we say okay. So format, so bullets is going to be under numbering. So we just choose the bullets that we want. So I guess we can choose any of these. So say okay. And the paragraph must be left aligned. So okay, we're done with li. So far we have done these 4. And the last one is P. P stands for paragraph. So the paragraphs must be black sans serif 10 point left aligned. So P, modify, format, font, black sans serif, black sans serif is Arial, 10 point left aligned, 10 point, format, paragraph, alignment, left. Okay, so we have, and our user defined styles, we have the 5 that we needed to do. So most of the time you may not have to create a style sheet from scratch. Sometimes they'll give you a style sheet and then you just edit it from there. But in case you have to create a style sheet, that is how you do it. So you just say okay, and your .css file that you have in front of you will then have the 5 or as many styles or tags that you have edited will appear, or have made will appear in front of you. Hope that is okay. If you just want to save your style sheet as a different name, you just right click and click on save, and you just call it whatever you need to. Okay, cool.